this is what my work table looks like presently. Let's change that. I also got this scarf pop builder. It's even plastic. Hi. So we're shopping some IKEA products for the workspace, and I can't wait to show you. Like, I really like this pegboard. I think I'm going to buy it. Like, it's so fine. I'm not hell-bent on black or white. They really have nice to say. I feel like they're all like here. Backstory of why I want to do the pegboard. I've always wanted to do this two-wall pegboard thing for since I was in, I think, fashion school. I can't remember, but I didn't have the funds. Obviously, I didn't have the funds. I didn't have the tools. But I just loved the idea and everything. So sometimes in January, when I was trying to think about how I can change this workspace and all in a few months, so my mind just kept going back to the pegboard. Why can't you just do that pegboard that is always and you have a lot of tools, they're always scattered every time you walk. So I'm just okay, let me just go and check if I can still find it. So I had to go and check it on my old phone, and you guys see this is I don't know if you can see, but I'll put it up. But I've always wanted to do it for long. But anyway, I'm just very, very happy that I could find, number one, the accessories to use, and then number two, the money to buy it. I'm just very grateful. So yeah, testimony time finished. Let's go back into the video. The first problem I have about this place is my tools. They get so disorganized so fast. I needed to do something about it. When we walk in and we are picking tools, and then most times everywhere is always so scattered and everything. So I think I was going to put up a pegboard, yeah, so that all the tools can go, and then if any of the girls uses the tools or anything, they can return it immediately, not trying to put it in the drawer or. So another issue I have is my books. I have some of my books here on the table, and I don't think they are needed there anymore. So I'm just going to move them to another shelf somewhere else in the house. So fingers crossed. I hope they really come out the way I am feeling it, the way I have it in my head. Okay, next let's go through what I got from the IKEA store. So I got this pegboard. You guys, it's so big. I've never seen a pegboard like this in Nigeria, this big. So yeah, I got two, and I hope it's going to cover this wall so that it will give a different vibe. Next thing I got is this foam padded notice board. You can pin stuff on it. So I'm going to put it in another angle in the studio because I really needed this. I had this writing board marker thing, but I think this one will be better because I just have to print out from my system, from my iPad, and then pin it. So yeah, this is another good buy. These are the pegboard accessories. So yeah, I got a couple of. I'm not sure this is going to be enough, but it was a lot of money, so I'm going to manage this one first. I hope I don't have to buy more. So I think I'm going to like remove everything here so that we can like start afresh. My plants, I think my plant has to going to stay here because they give so much aesthetics to pictures and work in progress and everything. So yeah, get right into the video. I'm so excited, you can see. I also got this extra lights for the studio because we need more lights presently. So yeah. Our freebies. So this is one of my illustration kits. I just wanted to find a very nice one. I've had this thing for like 4 or 5 years now to think. Different colors. I also have more colors anyway. I've not read some of these books, so I've actually not read some of them, but I'll get to it. I'll get to them very soon. This book is very good. Very, very good. This one too. Nice one. And then this. Oh my god. This is a very, very good book. Anyway. Nice one. This is my sketchbook from fashion school. I have so many designs that I've never put out. I mean, look at the dates. 2020. Like, that's so cute. I don't think did I make this? I don't think so. Anyway, let's continue. Yeah, I think that's all. So the wall is satin and it made it quite easy to clean the whole thing and expect. So we don't have to do so much, but it's actually very clean. I'm thinking I should just leave this page so that anytime I want a white background to snap content, to snap product and all those things. I don't know, I just like this background thing, so I think I'm going to shift it to this shelf so that it's easy to pop the builder. So yeah, gym strength. So yeah, it's going to be like this. So I'm just going to unbox and let's get right into it. It's even plastic. Come help me. Oh, this thing's looking heavy. It's perfect. It's like 6:30 or to 7 in the evening, and I'm so tired. My feet are hurting. This took like 1 hour just putting this thing on the wall. So I think I'm just going to continue tomorrow so that I can rest a little bit and get my game back. Right now I'm gone. See you tomorrow. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's actually been very long I said that way. Let's go. This is day 2 of me fixing my pegboard, and as you can see, it's already looking so good, and I decided to twine today. I've put some of my tools out so that it's easy for me to like hang them, and that we can get right into the video. Like, I'm getting very tired and I'm very busy. Anyway, I wanted to do this myself, so I'm glad I'm doing that. I like the way I'm following that line thing, right? Does it make sense? You don't have to put it in the same place. The more we add on stuff, the more we know if it will work or not, because I'm quite confused. This is like a knot thingy thing, so that I know, do I want to put this here? Okay, that makes sense. That can stay there. Alright. Yeah. It's perfect. It's that. Why? It's coming together. Oh my god, it's cute. It's cute. We're getting there. Right, I still have some. And we have less of this. Should I stop? You guys! Oh my god. Okay. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? This is about like 3 days after I finished this piece, and I've used it for a couple of days. You guys, it's so different. Like, I don't have to arrange so much again. I just have to like, I'm very at least this will do for now, until maybe the production team go up again and we have to buy new tools. Although this took about like 80% of my tools, so I added tools that we use like every day, not tools that we use once in a while. So yeah, I'm so excited. Did you guys enjoy this video? I hope I was able to film everything, because I mean, at a point I was too busy working and then arranging this place and then making it look so nice and all. So yeah, we have a new background. Even though it might just be for like maybe a couple of months, but anyway, I'm so glad, and I'm glad that the money spent came out so well. So yeah, when you see this, you know it's Lope. You get me? Alright, now I miss you guys so much. I miss being on YouTube. I know I can't be posting every week like I used to before, because work, growth, this thing called growth. Thank you so much, and welcome to this space if you're new. Let me know what videos you want to see. Let me know, do you want me to show you the whole of my workspace? Let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want you to give it a thumbs up, and then I want you to subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe. God bless you. Thank you for watching. Bye.